You won't believe what I discovered about the Carnival Miracle during my latest cruise adventure. This ship has been quietly delivering some of the best value experiences in the Caribbean, and after spending a week aboard, I'm convinced most people are sleeping on this hidden gem. The Carnival Miracle launched in 2004 as part of Carnival's Spirit-class ships, but don't let the age fool you. This vessel has undergone significant renovations that keep it feeling fresh and modern. At 88,500 gross tons with capacity for 24 passengers, it strikes the perfect balance between intimate cruising and having enough space to never feel crowded. What immediately caught my attention was how this ship manages to feel both spacious and cozy at the same time. The atrium design creates this welcoming atmosphere that draws you in from the moment you step aboard. The ship's layout makes perfect sense too, which isn't always the case with cruise vessels. Let me start with the accommodations, because this is where the Carnival Miracle really surprised me. The interior staterooms are actually livable, measuring around 185 square feet. These rooms come with twin beds that convert to a king, a small sitting area, and surprisingly good storage for a cruise ship. The bathrooms in these interior rooms are compact but functional, with a shower, toilet, and sink that actually gives you elbow room. What impressed me most was the clever use of space, including hooks and shelves exactly where you need them. The rooms also feature individual climate control, which is a blessing when you're sharing a small space. Ocean view staterooms bump you up to about 220 square feet and add that crucial window to the outside world. The natural light makes a huge difference in how the room feels, especially during sea days. These rooms feature the same amenities as interior staterooms, but with the added bonus of being able to watch the ocean go by from your bed. The balcony staterooms are where things get interesting. At around 230 square feet plus a 35 square foot balcony, these rooms offer genuine outdoor space. The balconies come with 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for morning coffee or evening drinks while watching the sunset. What sets the Carnival Miracle apart is the variety of suite options available. The penthouse suites are genuinely impressive, featuring separate living areas, king-size beds, and balconies large enough for actual entertaining. These suites come with priority boarding, dedicated concierge service, and complimentary room service. The family-friendly accommodations deserve special mention. Carnival offers connecting rooms and family suites that can sleep up to 6 people comfortably. These rooms include bunk beds for kids and extra storage space that families desperately need on cruise vacations. For guests with mobility needs, the ship offers accessible staterooms with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and lowered fixtures. These rooms don't compromise on comfort while providing the accessibility features that make cruising possible for everyone. Now let's talk about the food, because this is where cruise ships either win or lose passengers. The Carnival Miracle offers an impressive variety of dining options that go way beyond the typical cruise buffet experience. The main dining room, Bacchus, serves traditional cruise fare with rotating menus that actually taste good. The Unicorn Cafe serves as the ship's buffet, and it's surprisingly well organized with clearly marked stations and food that stays fresh throughout service hours. The international selections here include Asian stir-fry, Italian pasta, Mexican favorites, and American classics. The pizza station serves decent slices throughout the day, though nothing revolutionary. For specialty dining, the Golden Fleece Steakhouse offers premium cuts of meat in an upscale atmosphere. The steaks here are genuinely good, cooked to order and served with classic steakhouse sides. Reservations fill up quickly, so book early if you're interested. The Nouveau Supper Club provides an elegant dinner experience with continental cuisine and tableside service that feels special without being pretentious. The menu changes nightly and features dishes that showcase actual culinary skill rather than just cruise ship assembly line cooking. What really impressed me was the variety of casual dining options scattered throughout the ship. The deli serves fresh sandwiches and salads perfect for lunch by the pool. The ice cream station offers hand-dipped cones and sundaes that hit the spot on hot Caribbean days. The coffee bar serves decent espresso drinks, though don't expect Starbucks quality. The prices are reasonable for cruise ship standards, and the baristas actually know how to make the drinks properly. Late-night room service is available 24 hours with a limited but satisfying menu. The bars throughout the ship offer creative cocktails and standard drinks at typical cruise prices. The wine list includes decent selections at various price points, though wine lovers might want to bring their own bottles using Carnival's wine program. The pool areas on the Carnival Miracle are thoughtfully designed to accommodate different types of cruisers. The main pool deck features 2 pools with plenty of deck chairs and umbrellas for shade. The pools themselves are decent size for a ship this class, though they get crowded during sea days. The adults-only Serenity deck provides a peaceful retreat with its own pool, hot tubs, and comfortable loungers. This area stays relatively quiet throughout the cruise and offers a perfect spot for reading or napping in the sun. The deck furniture here is more comfortable than the standard pool chairs. The main pool area includes 2 whirlpools that maintain good temperatures and provide relaxing spots to soak while watching the ocean. The poolside bar service keeps drinks flowing without having to leave your chair, though expect to pay cruise ship prices. The sun deck space is generous with plenty of loungers available even during busy periods. The ship provides towels for pool use, eliminating the need to bring your own or use cabin towels. The deck surfaces stay relatively cool, even in direct sunlight. What sets this ship apart is the attention to creating different atmospheres in different pool areas. The main deck has an energetic vibe with music and activities, while the adult areas maintain a more relaxed atmosphere. The hot tubs are strategically placed to offer both social spaces and quieter spots. The onboard activities program keeps passengers engaged without feeling overwhelming or cheesy. The fitness center offers modern equipment with ocean views, making workouts more enjoyable than typical hotel gyms. The cardio machines face the windows, so you can watch the sea while exercising. The sports deck includes basketball and volleyball courts that see regular use throughout the cruise. The jogging track circles the upper deck and provides a great way to stay active while enjoying ocean breezes. The track surface is well maintained and marked with distance indicators. Entertainment shows in the main theater range from decent to genuinely entertaining. The production shows feature talented performers with costumes and choreography that exceed expectations for a mid-sized ship. The comedy shows tend to be hit or miss depending on the comedian, but the variety keeps things interesting. The casino offers all the standard games including slots, blackjack, poker, and roulette. The dealers are professional and friendly, creating an enjoyable atmosphere whether you're gambling or just watching. The casino stays busy during sea days and evening hours. Live music venues throughout the ship provide entertainment options for different tastes. The piano bar attracts sing-along crowds, while other lounges offer jazz, rock, or contemporary music. The quality of musicians varies by cruise, but most are competent professionals. The library provides a quiet retreat with books, magazines, and comfortable seating. Board games and puzzles are available for borrowing, making this a great spot for families or couples looking for low-key entertainment. The space stays peaceful even during busy sea days. The spa and wellness facilities aboard the Carnival Miracle offer legitimate relaxation and rejuvenation services. The Spa Carnival features a full menu of massages, facials, and body treatments performed by trained professionals. The treatment rooms are clean and comfortable with ocean views. The thermal suite includes a steam room, sauna, and heated ceramic loungers that provide genuine relaxation. Access requires an additional fee, but the peaceful atmosphere and therapeutic benefits make it worthwhile for spa enthusiasts. The space rarely feels crowded. Fitness classes include yoga, pilates, and aerobic sessions led by certified instructors. The classes are appropriately challenging for different fitness levels and take place in dedicated studio space with proper flooring and equipment. The schedule offers options for early risers and evening exercisers. The salon provides hair, nail, and beauty services with stylists who understand cruise ship living. Prices are higher than shoreside salons, but the convenience and quality make it reasonable for special occasions. Appointments book up quickly, especially before formal nights. The barbershop offers traditional men's grooming services including haircuts and shaves. The barbers are skilled professionals who provide good service in a classic setting. This old-school touch adds character to the overall spa experience. For families traveling with children, the Carnival Miracle provides comprehensive kids programming that keeps young ones engaged and gives parents some adult time. Camp Carnival offers age-appropriate activities for kids from 2 to 11 years old. The counselors are energetic and skilled at managing groups while ensuring everyone has fun. The kids' club facilities include dedicated play areas, craft rooms, and outdoor spaces designed specifically for children. The equipment is well maintained and safe, with activities ranging from arts and crafts to active games and educational programs. Parents can drop off kids with confidence. Teen programs cater to the unique needs of adolescent cruisers with activities like dance parties, video game tournaments, and teen-only deck parties. The Teen Club has its own space with age-appropriate entertainment and supervision that respects their growing independence. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship include mini-golf, scavenger hunts, and deck parties that appeal to all ages. The programming strikes a good balance between organized activities and free time for families to explore together. Babysitting services are available for evening hours, allowing parents to enjoy adult dining and entertainment. The childcare staff are trained professionals who provide safe, engaging supervision in dedicated facilities. Advanced reservations are recommended. The ports of call and shore excursions offered on Carnival Miracle itineraries showcase some of the Caribbean's most beautiful destinations. Popular routes include stops in Cozumel, Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Belize, each offering unique experiences and cultural opportunities. Cozumel excursions range from beach clubs and snorkeling adventures to Mayan ruins and cultural tours. The island's crystal-clear waters and coral reefs provide some of the best snorkeling and diving in the Caribbean. Shore excursion prices are competitive with independent tour operators. Jamaica stops typically include Ocho Rios or Montego Bay, with excursions featuring Dunn's River Falls, Blue Mountain coffee tours, and reggae cultural experiences. The island's natural beauty and vibrant culture create memorable experiences for cruisers of all ages. Grand Cayman offers world-class snorkeling at Stingray City, where passengers can interact with friendly southern stingrays in shallow water. The island also features beautiful beaches, duty-free shopping, and local culinary specialties. The tender process here is well organized and efficient. Belize excursions highlight the country's incredible biodiversity with cave tubing, ziplining, and visits to ancient Mayan sites. The Barrier Reef offers exceptional diving and snorkeling opportunities. Cultural tours showcase local traditions and crafts. Private island stops at Half Moon Cay provide the classic Caribbean beach experience with white sand, clear water, and organized activities. The island facilities include beach chairs, umbrellas, and water sports equipment. A barbecue lunch served here consistently receives positive reviews. Taking an overall look at the Carnival Miracle, this ship delivers solid value cruising with enough variety to keep most passengers happy. The ship shows its age in some areas, but recent renovations have addressed the most important updates. The service level consistently meets expectations without reaching luxury standards. The ship's size creates an intimate atmosphere that many passengers prefer over megaships. You'll see familiar faces throughout the cruise and won't spend excessive time navigating crowded corridors or waiting in long lines. The crew-to-passenger ratio allows for more personalized service. Food quality exceeds expectations for Carnival's fun ship reputation, with specialty restaurants offering genuinely good meals. The casual dining options provide variety without breaking the budget. Room service delivers hot food in reasonable timeframes. Entertainment programming keeps passengers engaged without feeling forced or cheesy. The variety ensures something for everyone, from active families to couples seeking relaxation. Production shows demonstrate real talent and effort. Areas for improvement include some dated cabin furnishings and occasional maintenance issues that show the ship's age. Wi-Fi connectivity remains expensive and unreliable, typical for cruise ships but still frustrating. Some public areas could benefit from additional seating during peak times. What makes the Carnival Miracle stand out from competitors is its successful balance of intimate cruising with comprehensive amenities. Unlike smaller ships that sacrifice facilities for size, this vessel offers full cruise ship amenities in a more manageable package. The Spirit-class design creates logical traffic flow and intuitive navigation. The ship's unique selling points include the extensive balcony stateroom selection, comprehensive spa facilities, and thoughtfully designed adult-only areas. The Serenity deck concept pioneered by Carnival provides genuine retreat space that many cruise lines have since copied. The variety of dining venues exceeds what you'd expect on a ship this size, with specialty restaurants that deliver quality experiences. The Golden Fleece Steakhouse consistently ranks among Carnival's best specialty dining venues across the entire fleet. The ship's itinerary flexibility allows for both Caribbean and seasonal deployments, providing passengers with diverse destination options throughout the year. The size allows access to ports that larger ships cannot visit, creating more intimate destination experiences. For business travelers or groups, the Carnival Miracle offers meeting facilities that can accommodate small corporate events or private celebrations. The conference rooms feature modern audiovisual equipment and can be configured for different group sizes. Catering services provide professional refreshments and meals. Wedding and celebration packages take advantage of the ship's intimate atmosphere and scenic ocean backdrop. The wedding chapel accommodates ceremonies at sea, while reception spaces can host groups of various sizes. Professional photography services capture special moments. Private dining options allow groups to reserve sections of restaurants or entire venues for special occasions. The culinary team can customize menus for dietary restrictions or cultural preferences. These services require advanced planning but deliver memorable experiences. Guest experience highlights from the Carnival Miracle consistently focus on the crew's friendliness and the ship's welcoming atmosphere. Passengers frequently mention feeling like valued guests rather than just another number in a massive crowd. The dining room staff learn names and preferences, creating personal connections. Memorable moments often involve unexpected crew gestures, like cabin stewards creating towel animals or restaurant servers remembering favorite drinks. These personal touches demonstrate the crew's commitment to guest satisfaction beyond basic service requirements. Passengers regularly praise the ship's ability to accommodate special dietary needs and celebrate occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. The galley staff work with guests to ensure safe, enjoyable dining experiences for those with allergies or restrictions. The adult-only areas receive particular praise from couples and solo travelers seeking peaceful spaces. The Serenity deck consistently rates as a favorite feature, providing the perfect balance of relaxation and ocean views without children's activities nearby. Repeat passengers often choose the Carnival Miracle specifically for its size and atmosphere, preferring the intimate experience over larger ships. Many guests report feeling more comfortable and relaxed on this mid-sized vessel compared to megaship alternatives. The Carnival Miracle represents solid value cruising that delivers on its promises without pretending to be something it's not. This ship works best for passengers seeking a traditional cruise experience with modern amenities and reasonable prices. Families appreciate the comprehensive kids programming, while adults enjoy the variety of relaxation and entertainment options. If you're considering your first cruise or looking for a ship that balances amenities with intimacy, the Carnival Miracle deserves serious consideration. The ship consistently delivers enjoyable experiences without the overwhelming crowds or impersonal service that can plague larger vessels. The key to enjoying this ship is setting appropriate expectations and taking advantage of its strengths rather than focusing on what it doesn't offer. This isn't a luxury cruise, but it's a very good mainstream cruise that provides excellent value for the money spent.